Namaste everyone. My name is Devi Pratiksha and today we are going to practice Bilao Asasa. Bilao means cat, so we're going to stretch like a cat in this exercise. The benefits of this asana are that it improves the flexibility of our neck, shoulder and spine. It is also a very good exercise to relax ourselves. So let's start. For Bilao Asasa, first you have to sit in Vajrasana. And then you have to raise your buttocks up, bend forward like this, and then inhale. Your spine needs to stretch downwards and your head needs to raise up. Exhale, curve your spine and your head needs to be down. Like this. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. You can do this exercise 5 to 10 times a day. Bye. Namaste.